Hey yo, good day everyone. Welcome to another video dito sa Mannequin On-Ride. And for today's video, counter steering. Counter steering, marami ang nalilito sa counter steering. Dahil nga naman, 'di ba? Pag sinabi mong counter steering, if you want to go right, you have to push forward on the right handlebar. If you want to go left, you want to push forward on the left handlebar. Kapag inisip mo yun, okay, kapag inimagine mo yun, if you push right, okay, if you push forward on the right handlebar, yung unahang gulong ay dito titingin sa kaliwa. Pero di ba you want to go right. So, kung dito natin yung titingnan sa unahan, okay, if you're gonna look at it, so, dito ka pupunta, kanan, di ba? Itinulak mo yung front handlebar, yung right handlebar, tumuro dito sa kaliwa yung gulong. So it's counterintuitive, kumbaga parang bakit ganun? Tumuro sa kaliwa pero sa kanan gustong pumunta. Yun ang ikinalilito ng karamihan. Now, para malinawan tayo kung ano ba yung talagang counter steering, kasi ang isa pang nakakalito dyan is if you try it and if you do it properly, it works. So, parang sabi nga nung ilan, oo nga no, nakakalito, parang baligtad, pero pag ginawa mo, gumagana. Okay. Para malinawan tayo, counter steering is the best way, the most efficient way, the safer way, or the safest way to initiate turn in. Or okay, baka may nalilito pa sa turn in. Initiate yung leaning ng motor. Initiate leaning of the bike so that now it can corner, di ba? So how do you steer a motorcycle? How do you turn in a motorcycle? Di ba? You have to lean the motorcycle, lean right to turn right, okay? Lean left to turn left. Now, yung counter steering, it is the best way to initiate yung lean. Okay. Ang nangyayari kasi dyan is if you want to go right and you have to push forward on the right handlebar, etong gulong titingin sa kaliwa, di ba? Magiging destabilize o magiging unstable yung takbo ng motor kasi yung sa contact patch niya, yung sa trail niya and everything, ang mangyayari, the bike actually leans right. Okay? Again, if you want to go right, you push forward on the right handlebar, yung gulong titingin sa kaliwa, pero yung buong motor, it will start leaning to the right. When it starts leaning to the right, ang mangyayari yung front end, dahil dun sa trail and yung kanyang suspension geometry, ang mangyayari, the front end will now correct itself. Pero that is after the bike starts to lean to the right. So again, babalik tayo dun sa leaning is cornering, cornering is leaning. So now if your bike is now lean to the right, it now wants to go right. At yung unahang gulong, kasi nakapilot siya sa kaliwa, magko-correct yan. So siguro may magsasabi na wait. So siguro may magsasabi na ganun naman pala pipihit din naman pala sa kanan yung gulong, ba't kinakailangan pang ituro sa kaliwa? Yun na nga, doon na maraming nalilito sa counter steering. Counter steering will initiate the lean, and counter steering will help the motorcycle continue to lean. So let's say you want to go right and you want to go right and you push, wait lang. You want to go right and you push the right handlebar forward, the bike starts to lean right. As long as you keep pushing on the right handlebar, it will continue to lean. It will continue to lean. It will continue to lean by itself. So yung the biggest difference ng counter steering at saka yung ikaw mismo yung sasadyain mong ihiga ang motor mo is that kapag nag counter steer ka, you are allowing the motorcycle to lean by itself. And it's because of the physics of the bike, yung kung how the bike works. So you are allowing the motorcycle to do its own thing. Hindi ikaw yung pinipilit mo siya na humiga. Tulad ng gagawin mong pagpilit humiga sa jowa mo ngayong Valentine's Day. Hindi mo siya hihilahin pababa para ihiga. Ika-counter steer mo siya para siya mismo sa sarili niya. It will start to lean and will continue to lean as long as you are pushing on the right handlebar, leaning to the right. Now, if you are done leaning, halimbawa nakuha mo na yung tamang lean angle mo, let's say, left corner naman. Yan, let's say nakuha mo na yung left corner angle, yung lean angle mo sa left corner, then you should just stop pushing on the left handlebar. Steady ka na lang. Hold steady mo yung lean angle. Bitbitin mo na lang yung lean angle na yon mid corner hanggang corner exit. And now sa corner exit, since ikaw ay naka-lean left, gusto mo nang mag-lean right, gusto mo nang mag-turn, gusto mo nang bumalik sa kanan, okay? So you want to straighten up the bike. You want to stand the bike. Okay. So now you can also use yung counter steer naman pa kanan. Para yung nakahiga mong motor, naka-lean sa left, if you counter steer now to the left and if you stand the bike will stand on its own. Yung pacing niya ng pag-stand up niya hindi pa bigla-bigla. It's gonna be very smooth. And then kapag upright ka na uli, continue steering to the right, counter steering to the right, then you will take the right corner, the next corner. Ganun lang siya. Marami ang nalilito dahil nga yung sa go left, push left, go right, push right. Tapos ang tinitingnan nila is yung kasing gulong yung gulong nakapihit sa baligtad na direksyon, pero pag sinubukan nila it works. Tapos sasabihin nila, ano pa yan, hindi natin maintindihan yan, pero gumagana. One more thing about counter steering, napatunayan na ito, it works on all speeds. Ayan, marami rin na nalilito dyan kasi sasabihin nila katulad ng motor na yun, di ba, nagmamaniobra sa parking, hindi naman siya nagka-counter steering. Kailangang ipilot mo yung manibela kung saan ka pupunta pag nandito ka sa parking lot. Which is true. Tama yon. Kapag nagmamaniobra tayo sa parking lot, ang ginagawa natin is we are steering the bike using yung pagpilot sa manibela. Kapag gusto mong imaniobra pa kaliwa, then pihitin mo pa kaliwa. Pag gusto mong imaniobra pa kanan, pihitin mo pa kanan. Tunay yun. Okay? Pero pansinin nyo, ano bang nangyayari sa parking lot? Minamaniobra lang natin yung motor, hindi natin inililin, hindi tayo naglilining, hindi tayo nagko-cornering sa parking lot. So kapag magmamaniobra tayo sa parking lot o kung saan mang mga lugar, sabi ng iba slow speed daw yun, tama naman, slow speed nga, pero it's not about the speed, it's about the stance of the motorcycle. Dahil generally nakatayo yung motor at pinipilot lang natin yung manubela para siya'y kumanan kaliwa, hindi naman natin kinakailangan ng counter steering because we don't need to initiate leaning. So katulad kanina nabanggit ko, counter steering initiates the lean of the motorcycle and helps the motorcycle to lean more as long as you put in the input. Kung sa parking lot na slow speed ka mo, hindi na kinakailangan mag counter steering kasi nga nakatayo yung motor, pinipilot lang natin yung handlebar para umikot, para mamaniobra yung motor. Pero let's just say yan, galing ako doon straight, tas dito, so right corner yon, nag counter steer ako doon. Pagdating dito, nag counter steer ako, papasok dito kasi tumatakbo pa ako, nagko-cornering pa ako dito punta ako doon, ikot ako doon, tas doon U-turn ako doon, diba? So yung U-turn, nakatayo yung motor ko, I don't need to lean my motorcycle, so I don't need to counter steer. Tas pagdating ko dito, pag-ikot dito, pagkarating ko dyan, nagmaniobra ako dito, I don't need to counter steer because the bike is upright. Dahil I don't need to initiate leaning the bike. Kung ihihiga-higa ko man ng motor ko ng halimbawang tumatakbo ng 1 km per hour dahil nagmamaniobra nga ako, that is not leaning, that is not cornering. So counter steer works on all speeds, slow speed, moderate speed, fast speed, it works kapag ikaw ay nag-i-initiate ng cornering, ng leaning. Yun. But if you are just maneuvering the bike, minamaniobra mo lang yung motor sa parking lot, sa traffic o kung saan man, then you don't really need to use counter steering. Doon mo pipilutin yung manibela to go wherever you want to go, to point the bike wherever you want to point it. Sana sa ganyang paliwanag, sana kapulutan nyo ng kapakipakinabang at sana malinawan kayo na ayon pala yung counter steering. Okay, so before I end this video, yan, 11 minutes na. Before I end this video, let me tell you a revelation. Okay? According to science and according to other experts na nagtest na ng ganito, whether we know it or not, whether we are aware or not, regardless, basta tayo ay nasa motor, umaandar tayo, nagmumotor tayo, and as long as we are cornering, chances are 99% we already know we are already doing counter steering. Whether we know it or not, whether we like it or not, whether we believe it or not, whether we are aware of it or not, it doesn't matter. Kung tayo ay nagmumotor, two wheels, and we are cornering, we are counter steering. So ang tanong dito, okay, bakit pa natin kailangang aralin? Ginagawa na naman pala natin. Well, paano ba? Parang kailangan pa ba talagang ipaliwanag yun? It is better that we know how to use our skills. It is better that we are aware of our skills and we know how to deploy our skills, kesa naman sa yung basang umaasa na lang tayo na sana may mangyaring mabuti at wag tayong sumemplang. Tama? It is better that we are aware na ganito gawin ito. I know my skill, I know where to use my skills, I know when to use my skills, I know how to use my skills. It is better that way para alam ko, kontrolado ko ang sitwasyon. And hindi ako yung umaasa lang dun sa sana wag sumemplang, sana wag matumba, sana dumiretso ako, sana lumiko ako, sana, alam mo yun, para ihiga mo na lang yung motor mo and you pray na sana makuha mo yung kurbada. So it is better that we know how to use, we know our skills, we know how to use our skills, we know when to use our skills, we know where to use our skills, and we know why. Bakit natin kinakailangan gamitin yung mga skills natin yon, and kaya nating ipaliwanag why it is happening, paano siya gumagana. If we know that, then we are better, safer riders. Alright, so hahanda na akong lumayas dito, at thank you so much for watching the video. Ayun, umahataw. Well, enjoy your day, everyone. Ride safely if you're riding, drive safely if you're driving, o kung nasan man kayo, kung ano mga pinagagawa nyo. Be safe, enjoy, but be safe. Yun. Okay, I will see you on the next video. This is the Man Cannot Ride. Laking ibon naman.